Assalamu alaikum to everyone. As I am Muhammad Rayyan, and today I am going to do debate on a very amazing topic, crucial topic and controversial, which is in the regard of two countries. That which country is better, America or Japan? Well, really, what do I realize? What do I observe? That Japan is far better than America. So let's talk about it. That why Japan is far better than America. First of all, I want to mention about the Japan's government because I like Japan's government. I don't like England government, American's government. I don't like India's government. Personally, I like Japan's government because Japan's government is not selfish government. As data tells that there is a law in Japan which is that if someone commits suicide in Japan, so he will have to or she will have to give fine to government. That's why in Japan commit suicide rate and the death rates are very less. And second thing, on the other hand, if I mention about the America's government, astaghfirullah, alhamdulillah, I don't like the America's government. Really, I don't like America's government because not for the sake of bad intention, for the sake of just awareness, I would like to tell you one thing. Biggest the porn industry is found in America, and per year it earns $15 to $79 through the porn industry. So is it good thing? And on the other hand, America's government does not say anything, and every week $1,500 America earns through the illegal work. And children pornography rates 99.300 in America. What is it happening in America? Is America's government good? Of course not. America's government is corrupt, selfish, pathetic, bad. I don't like America, but I like Japan. Thank you so much for listening.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Muhammad Ishan and today debate is being done here between two most developed countries. One is America and second is Japan. Which country is better? So in my personal point of view, America is far better than Japan. As someone is mentioning that America's government is nothing, Japan's government is everything. Let me tell you, in 1993 what happened. That when Japan was developing, they were achieving their goals in steel, in infrastructure, in healthcare, in education system. When they were achieving their goals, so what did they do? They had confidence. They had overconfidence. What did they do? That they started giving loan to the public without any paper inquiry. By that, what happened? Just after 10 years, till 2003, all the banks were bankrupt. There was no money in banks to take loan. And still, till 2024, they are doing survey to check, to find that people who took the loan, even they don't have any data because they didn't do paper inquiry. So they don't have data that who took loan in 1993 or not. So still they are doing survey to find those people. Japan's government, which is good. Next thing I would like to answer to my sister Fabiha. She was mentioning that Japanese people live longer. They have good education system because they eat fresh vegetables. Okay, fresh vegetables they eat. They are healthy. You tell me one more thing she was saying that American people they eat junk food. Just by seeing some clips or some videos on YouTube, we judge America that American people take alcohol as a common thing. American people take burger, pizza as a common thing. No, they eat oats and other things also. And America is the third country which produces large amount of agriculture in all over the world, where Japan is not in top 20 countries. Japan people are healthy. What is the benefit of that? That's it.
Okay, thank you so much, my great brother. As you know, he mentioned, as he criticized about the Japan's government. Really, Japan's government is bad. Oh, I cannot see by my eyes. He wants to say like this. But really, one thing, if I tell you about the Japan's government, that Japan's government gave loan to other countries, doesn't matter. He gave, doesn't matter. But now, if I tell you about the America, that when the concrete relationship was executed between America and Japan in 1950, since 1950 Japan is helping to America, and every year Japan's government gives $721 billion to America's government so that they could survive, they could live. And still $1.67 trillion America has that of Japan, and America is not giving. On the other hand, this much selfish government is there, this much selfish country America is, that where it sees just, oh, there is my benefit. Ishan, whether you have money, you are my friend. You have money, you are my crony. Like this, it handshakes from the people. What kind of country is it? Yeah, I don't like America. Just I like Japan. On the other hand, in terms of technology, of course, we know second name of Japan is technology, where the whole world is living in 2024. They're just America is living in 2050. So can't I prove? Can't I say that Japan is far better than America? Of course, it is far better than America.
Okay, Japan is ahead in terms of technology. Its second name is technology, as someone told. So they are only famous in technology, but America has name. America is famous in all the fields, whether it's about dancing, whether it's about movies, whether it's about car, whether it's about marketing, whether it's about businessman. And let me tell you one more thing. There is a organization in Japan, JAXA. They do some surveys on related to Mars, related to moon and all. Have we ever heard about JAXA? No, I am telling, then you heard. Next thing I would like to tell you, just one person of America, who is Elon Musk. He is this much rich that he spent his money to do surveys on Mars, to find the life on Mars. Don't you think that American people are better? American people are rich. And according to the NDB, National Database of Health, 30% people of America are healthy, means they do not have any single disease, and they are rich. 30% people, while in Japan only 5% people are rich and 9% people are unemployed there in Japan. What is the benefit of that technology when citizen of country is not getting any kind of employment? While America, whether crime is happening there, it has only 3% unemployment rate. And let me tell you one more thing, which Al-Shifa's sister was mentioning about the crime rate. They have highest crime rate. They have 99% crime rate. Whether they are ahead in crime rate, rape is common thing there, whatever is happening, at least people are happy there, sister. They rank good in happiness chart. At least they are not committing suicide.
Okay, listen. I also earn money, he also earns money. But I earn money honestly. I do my work, I'm scientist. He earns money through some alcohol. Is it legal? Of course it is illegal. Yeah, similarly you can find the data on every social media website. You will find that most of the time, most of the money America earns through the illegal work, as I've told you. And second thing is about Japanese, that he mentioned that 5% people are unemployed, 1% has a value. I will say that just 4% people are unemployed there, and 99% people are Japanese. Just 2% people are there who belong to outside. Second thing, as the question will be here, that why the people just don't migrate to Japan. What is the reason? Because to survive the life, to live in Japan, that is very difficult. Because the person who has the better job, who earns better, handsome salary per year or per month, he is also unable to get just one room for surviving. So because of this, most of the people, they are unable to migrate to Japan. That's
Listen,
all.
as he was telling that I am earning money, honesty. He is earning money by selling alcohol. That's illegal. So brother, it's not like that. What he is thinking, that American companies are selling alcohol, are doing illegal work. Apple company, are they doing any illegal work? Microsoft, are they doing any kind of illegal work? Alphabet, are they doing any kind of illegal work? No. But he has come and he is saying that America has a people who are not honest with their country. And next thing, wait, one more thing I want to mention. As you are mentioning about alcohol and all, so what do we think? Listen, let me complete, let me speak.
Okay,
Let me clear just one misconception from of your all. What do we think about America? That they take alcohol as a common thing. Okay. But it's not true, because we have seen in some movie clips, in some YouTube videos, so it's common. Wait, according to the data of OECD, Japan ranks 21st in terms of alcohol consumption, but America ranks 35. It means